This is how to replace the clock widget with another clock widget or another widget completely. So here I have the clock widget that it looks like this. I can do a long press and I could adjust it. But if I want to have a different style of clock, this widget, I could actually remove this from here, and then I have the empty space. Long tap on the empty area there and then tap widgets. Search for clock and I will choose these clock options. These are the nice Android clocks. And this one is nice, but it's consuming too much space, I believe. So I'll try this one. And I will add this one. Then without the background. And then I have the clock. I could also resize it so it looks... I could also resize it so it looks pretty big like that. So that's how to swap the clock from one style to another. And I could change the settings of this widget by going to widget settings there. And I could set it to have a background, but I prefer not to have it with the background. I prefer transparent like that. And there is also the widget on the lock screen. That's another widget. And the clock there is going to be different. But this is how you change the widgets. That's how you change the widgets on the home screen. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.